Welcome to Shopware tutorial. In this video, we learn how to add customer groups. Log into the backend. Go to Items and Overview. Click on Edit. Now go to Configuration and Basic Settings. Search Customer. Click on Customer Groups. Click on Add Entry. Now fill the detail form according to your preferences. Click Save. Now go to Items and Overview. New Customers group has been added successfully. Thanks for watching. For more updates and Shopware video tutorials, please subscribe to our channel and also do not forget to press the bell icon, so that you never miss our upcoming videos.